Hi, in this session let us see how we can use connector tools. So if I have two shapes or if I'm having one shape and text, if I want to connect from one object to another object, how we can connect it. So this is my current page. Let me draw some shape here. This is my shape and this is my other shape. Okay, so I'm just filling with some color. This is my shape. I have this. Okay, and this is my other shape, and with some color. Okay, so this is one shape and this is the other shape. So I just want to give some connection from here to here. So that means this is derived from this shape. So I want to give some connection. So here if you observe in the toolbox, you can find the connector here. Straight line connector tool. You can just click on it and the parameters will immediately open up on the status bar. This is the thickness. If you want to increase the thickness of the connector, you can just increase the connector. And this is the style of the connector, how you want, you can just choose it. And here I'm just giving connection like this. So this is my straight line connector, that this and this shape are connected with each other. So if I want to go for another style, I can go for it. So just zoom this right. Now suppose this is my shape, rectangle, and this is filled with some color. Okay, this is my rectangle shape, and I'm just drawing one more shape, which is my square. This is square and this is derived from this rectangle. So I just want to give some connection between these two. So click on this connector. So in this icon you can observe the down arrow. If you click on it, you have different styles of connectors. You can just select it, right angle connector. So you can just give connection like this. So this is, if you want to give connection like this, you can just give like this. So this is how you can give the connector. So from rectangle to square, you can either use the straight line like this. So this is the straight line connector. I can just use it, directly connecting to my circle, or I can just use the right angle connector. So however you want, you can just use the style of the connectors. Here this is a right angle connector tool and you can go for a different connector, right angle round connector. If you click on it, you can observe this is a different connector, which you can, if you just move your cursor, drag it, you can find the different styles for it, right? So this is a different style of connector. So if you want, you can just pick it. If you want to give connection, you can just say here. So see here, now your straight line connector and this is your right angle curve connector. Okay, so you can just reduce this, fit to the page. Now you can observe this. So this is my rectangle and I have given the connection. This is the square and this is my circle and I have given connection from my circle and as well as my rectangle. Okay, you can observe these three styles of connectors which we have in our connector tools. So this is how we can just make use of our connectors to connect our objects very easily.